Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to roast a turkey for Thanksgiving. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 whole turkey, a tablespoon of flour, 3 tablespoons of poultry seasoning, a tablespoon of paprika, a half cup of softened butter, a lemon, a medium yellow onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 carrots. We'll start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven's preheating, we'll go ahead and soften our butter. Next, we'll prepare our turkey for baking. We'll remove the giblets from the cavity and pat it down inside and out with paper towel. It should be noted that this particular turkey has come with a slit made in its tail to allow for easier trussing without the need for kitchen twine. However, if your turkey does not have this, you will want twine for trussing. After we've patted our turkey dry, we'll go ahead and season it. We'll gently separate the skin from the body of the turkey and use about half of our poultry seasoning and half of our paprika underneath the skin of the turkey and rub it in. We'll also rub half of our softened butter under the turkey skin. Once we've seasoned the inside, we'll rub the remaining half of our softened butter on the outside of the turkey so the seasoning sticks. And we'll rub the outside with the remaining half of our poultry seasoning and paprika. The purpose of the lemon and vegetables is to add some flavor to the turkey. We're going to quarter the lemon, peel and quarter the onion, and roughly chop the celery and carrot so they fit in the cavity of the turkey. Once we've stuffed the cavity with our lemon and vegetables, we'll truss the legs of the bird. With this turkey, I'll be using the slit cut in the tail. Once we've trussed this bird, we'll put it into an oven-safe bag to help lock in moisture and flavor. Before bagging the turkey, we'll coat the bag with a tablespoon of flour. This is to prevent the bag from sticking to itself, overinflating and bursting. Once the bag's floured, we'll place it around the turkey. Once bagged, we'll seal the end of the bag with an oven-safe tie that should have been included with your roasting bag. And we'll cut 3 to 4 slits in the top of the roasting bag to allow steam to escape. Once we've prepared our turkey for roasting, we'll roast it for 13 to 15 minutes per pound or until an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit is registered on the thickest part of the turkey. This turkey is 21 pounds, so we'll roast it for 4.5 to 5 hours. It's been 3.5 hours, and we're going to remove the bag for the last hour of cooking to ensure the skin gets crispy. Once we've removed the bag, we'll put it back in the oven for an additional hour. It's been an additional hour for a total of 4.5 hours. We'll go ahead and take the temperature of the turkey at the deepest part between the drumstick and the thigh to ensure that it has reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It has, so our turkey is done. We'll remove this from the oven and allow it to rest for 15 minutes before carving and serving it alongside our apple stuffing and green bean casserole. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.